noodles. I cannot eat noodles without this. I will refuse to eat this. If it's the only thing on earth, and they say you can eat regular noodles with just the seasoning, with no hot sauce, or you gotta die. But at the end, you gonna get a little hot sauce and some noodles. Bitch, I'm dead. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy J, man, and today I'm about to show you how to make the best noodles seasoning. You know, make the best noodles. But listen, for y'all that don't know this, I'm allergic to seafood, and for some reason, the noodles, like the pack, got some type of seashells in there and junk. And I'm allergic to that, so I'm not gonna use the seasoning in there. I'm gonna tell y'all when I get to the, you know, putting this on the thing. So, yeah, I put the stove to about like, you want too high, about like 7. You open a pack of noodles. You feel me? You open a pack of noodles, and you know, you open it. Hey, you want to open too rough to some of the stuff. Hold up. My fault. Had to open the door, but so you put the noodles in there gently, you know. So while that cooking, we just gonna sit and talk. Let me get it to you. So while this cooking, YouTube. Why did I start on YouTube? I started YouTube because you can have fun with it, you can entertain people with it, and you also can make a ching ching once you reach there. But in order for me to get that ching ching and start doing more interesting video, I need y'all to subscribe and like and share it to a friend, because I know you laughing. You're not about to tell me you're not just laughing and like don't want to click subscribe. Like, even if you don't have a channel, it don't take long. You don't even have to post video, just sign up, subscribe to me. And if you want to, get another phone and do the same thing. That's all you gotta do. But I started YouTube because, you know, if y'all don't know, I'm from the hood. You know, tired of the struggle, tired of everything. So I feel like YouTube can help a nigga out. So yeah, started that YouTube. I'm just trying to keep on putting videos out. It's kind of hard while this, you know, you quarantine or this corona jump. You can go outside right now and all that, but you know, I ain't really got no whip right now. No whip. But yeah, I started YouTube because of that. Now if I get big, or I move from Charleston, hell yeah, I'm gonna move, but I don't know where. You know, I'm still looking. One of my dream place, not a dream, I always talk about it, but basically dream, I would say dream, was LA. But at the same time, I feel like I'll be like in Atlanta or Miami or something. Like 3 places I'll probably pick. 4, I say 4. LA, Miami, Atlanta, or Houston. Other than that, I probably won't move to. But first, let's gotta get up there. But I promise you, if you just hit that subscribe button and, you know, tell somebody else about me and get a laugh off. Listen, you can either get high or at night, you know, before you close your eyes, or on a little cool little, you know, with a little vibe, and you know what I'm talking about. My niggas, you know what I'm talking about. You with a low vibe. You want loud. Cause I can't entertain your girl now. I can't entertain your girl now. But, as see, right now, as boiling, you can see it a little bit when they start that bubbling. When the noodles start bubbling, you on to something, you know? But when the noodles start bubbling, let me tell you something about these noodles. You can't go wrong with noodles. It tastes good. It's not a lot. It's not a little bit. It can hit you sometimes just right, but you're gonna need a little bit more after this. And then you will never really get tired of noodles. You feel me? You wake up, you know, you can wait a couple, like an hour. You gonna eat some damn noodles. I guarantee you. And like, let me tell you one thing. Everybody, if you don't put this motherfucker in if you don't put this in your noodles, don't subscribe. I'll say subscribe. But this is the key ingredients. This motherfucker is, it don't even say, but this shit here, you can put this on anything, and I promise you, they gonna make you do the But that thing getting right. That thing getting right. Look. That thing getting there. Ooh. Hey, see, and one thing about my noodles, when I cook it, I don't like it to be like too cook. I want to be like, it's soft, but that bit got a little in it, if you know what I'm talking about. And then like, when you get the you know it's real. But see, it's boiling right now. It's about to be there. It's about to be right. You have it like that. Then it's boiling. You gotta turn it off. You turn it off and let it boil. Cause it's already boiled for a good little minute. You let it off boil. You want to get a little bit heat. So you get ready. This when you pull the water out. And when you pull the water out, hold up. Let me test it again. Oh yeah. This shit gonna be good. This gonna be good. Okay. You have it like that. Now, let me show you something. You gotta drain the water out. Now you want to keep a little bit of water in it. Cause you're gonna drink it out. Now, stove a little hot. Ooh. So now, first ingredient, season and salt. Can't go wrong. Now, what I said, if y'all forgot, at the beginning of the video, I'm allergic to seafood, but this pack right here, I can't eat, so I gotta make my own. Ain't that sad? Man, no racist stuff. I'm just talking about African American. Imagine you being black and can't eat seasoning. Season this out. Don't put too much, don't put too little bit. Easy, I would lie. And one thing about putting your own seasoning, the noodles absorb the seasoning. So you gotta put just the right amount. See, they cover off everything, just like that. And then you get the motherfucking, I don't know if y'all got this in here. The chicken shit. Yeah, the chicken shit. And then you already got the seasoned salt, but you just want to add a little then there you come on, man, shake. Okay, you put a little umph in it, not too much. Then you gotta add a little bit of garlic. The garlic just I'll get in it, you know, just to top it out. I know what y'all thinking. Garlic, trust me, you don't put a lot, you just put a little sprinkle in it, cause you gonna taste that shit. You gonna taste that. Now, my boy, last ingredients. Just make your noodles. I cannot eat noodles without this. I will refuse to eat this. If it's the only thing on earth, and they say you can eat regular noodles with just the seasoning, with no hot sauce, or you gotta die. But at the end, you gonna get a little hot sauce with noodles. Bitch, I'm dead. The hot sauce gotta be in it. Now, this don't. The only thing I can tell you about this, don't put a little bit. This bitch go. This shit go. You drown this motherfucker. Do it. Then get your fork. Mix that bitch up. Yes. And after you mix it, like I said, the noodles gonna absorb the seasoning. Then look, you go back to the hot sauce. I tell you, just don't put a little bit, cause you gotta put this. This bitch gonna make it taste. You gotta make it shape. Put that bitch up again. That bitch should give you should make you do that. If it don't make you do that, you ain't did good. You ain't did good. Let me taste it for y'all. Let me taste it for y'all real quick. Let me move this out of the way. Let me taste it for y'all. Oh shit. That bitch good. That bitch good. Alright, y'all. That's it for this video. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe. And comment below what else video you want me to see. You know, I'm just here to be your entertainment. Your Netflix and chill. Your YouTube. Yo Amazon. Damn, what's the other? Fuck it. But you know, finna fraud. All gut and junk. Ooh. We out. Peace.